Disclaimer. This video contains information on homeopathic remedy. The purpose of creating this video is to spread information and knowledge about this remedy. We strongly discourage any self-consumption of medicine without a qualified doctor's consultation.
In this video, we will learn about one more remedy which is known to work well in corona pandemic, that is Camphora.
We are visual designers, a team of subject matter experts and animation professionals. We are bringing a series, visually depicting homeopathic Materia Medica. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, thanks so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to our channel to continue getting updates from us.
About this remedy, we will discuss its common name, family and sphere of action, constitution and ailments from, guiding symptoms, particulars symptoms part 1, mental symptoms, particular symptoms part 2, modalities, and its relations.
This video has been divided into 2 parts.
So, without wasting any more time, let's learn about this remedy. Let's begin with its common name, family and sphere of action. The common name of Camphora is Camphor. It belongs to Lowraceae family. Camphor acts upon cerebrospinal nerves, digestive tract and urinary organs. Moving forward, we shall discuss about its constitution and ailments from. In case of physical makeup, the person is physically and mentally very weak. The temperament is irritable. They are very chilly patients. Myasm, Sora is in the background. The ailments are from shock from injury, eruptions suppressed, and cold air. Let's now look at the guiding symptoms of this remedy. The patient is exceedingly sensitive to cold air. Surface cold to touch, chilliness, yet cannot bear to be covered, throws off all the coverings. Collapsed condition with coldness and lividity. Pain is better while thinking of it. Profound prostration with rapid sinking of strength. Scantiness of discharges like diarrhea, vomiting, sweat, urine, etc. Entire body painfully sensitive to slight touch. Cramps with icy coldness of limbs.
We hope you are enjoying this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do so now. We would love to hear from you. Please share your feedback in the comments section of this video. Let us know which remedy would you like us to develop next.
Now, we are about to start particulars of this remedy. Regarding head, there are following symptoms. Vertigo, tendency to unconsciousness, feeling as if he would die. Head sore. Beating pain in cerebellum. Occipital throbbing, synchronous with the pulse. Influenza, headache with catarrhal symptoms, sneezing, etc. Fleeting stitches in temporal. Now, let us discuss the eye symptoms. Fixed, staring, pupils dilated. Sensation as if all objects were too bright and glittering. Moving forward to nasal symptoms. Nose stopped, sneezing. Fluent coryzon on sudden change of weather. Persistent epistaxis, especially with gooseflesh state of skin. Nose cold and pinched. Now let's proceed to face and mouth symptoms. Face is pale, haggard, anxious, distorted, bluish, cold. Cold sweat. Tongue cold, flabby, trembling. Now, we will look at the stomach symptoms. Oppressive pain in pit of stomach. Coldness, followed by burning. Insatiable thirst. Desire to drink without thirst. Violent pain in stomach in gastritis. Marked gastric irritation. Cramps in stomach and bowels and spreading to other parts of the body, until there are convulsions, and opisthotonos. Burning, rending, tearing pain in stomach with retching and vomiting. Everything is vomited. Scanty vomiting of bile or blood. Lastly, let's look at stool symptoms. Stool is scanty with great tenesmus. Stool, rice watery, involuntary, blackish, dark brown, feces like coffee ground. Asiatic cholera. The urinary complaints includes burning and strangery, with tenesmus of the neck of bladder. Retention with full bladder. Frequent urination. Urine is red, bloody, and comes by drops.
Next comes mentals. From here onwards the rest of the part of this remedy will be discussed in part 2. If you have found value in this innovative presentation to Materia Medica, please don't forget to like and share this video.
Thanks for watching.